Namaste, hello, and a very good morning to all of you. I hope you enjoyed the last session. And today, without talking too much, we will start the session. But before start the session, you always need to remember few things. The first thing is breathing. You should breathe, inhale, exhale very deep and slow. And whenever you breathe, it comes through the upper back of your nose, and the second point it goes through your neck, the third point is your chest, and the fourth point is your stomach. So whenever you inhale, it should be like 1, 2, 3 and 4, and when you exhale, 4, 3, 2 and 1. To always need to remember slow and deep breathing. Okay, the first point. And the second point, your eyes, your concentration should be on me. You should see my body language so that you can copy the postures, and you should listen my words very carefully so that you can do what I am saying. Okay. And the third point, do not force your body. Just do as much you can. Okay. So here we start the session, and we will start today from the prayer. Forget all the thoughts and just be very calm. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Chant with me. Deep inhale. Inhale again. Inhale again. Eyes should be closed, be relaxed, and do the prayer with me. Repeat with me. त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धोश्च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव. If you can't do this prayer, just remember your God. Just remember your God in your mind, in your heart. Surrender yourself completely. Rub your hands. Touch your palm on your eyes and forehead. And now open your eyes slowly, very slowly. Relax. Take a deep breath. Now take the position with me. This position is called butterfly position. Okay. In Hindi it is called Titli Asana. So make the butterfly position. Okay. Close your hands. Okay, and lock your feet. Lock your feet. Okay. Now pull up your legs inside towards the body as much you can. As much you can. Make your shoulders broad, straight waist, broad chest. Sit like this. I am repeating it again. Okay. First, Close your hands, lock your feet and make the butterfly position. Pull up your legs inside towards the body as much you can. Straight waist, broad shoulder, broad chest. Just be straight. And now push your knees towards the floor. Slowly, slowly, as much you can. I know many of you would not be able to do push so much, but push as much you can. Slowly, slowly. Pull up your legs inside as much you can. Just do this for a minute. Okay? Start slowly, but increase your speed gradually. Push hard little. Push your knees towards the floor like this. You need to copy whatever I am doing. Just copy my body language and what I am doing. This position is called butterfly. Okay? It will help you to make your thighs, your legs flexible, and it will be also helpful for hip opening. Whoever needs. Push hard. Now do it fast. Push hard. Try to touch your knees to the floor. Push hard. Pull up your legs again, close to your body, and push hard. Okay, relax. Both hands on your knees, like this. Push your knees towards the floor and try to go down in your front. Try to touch your forehead to your legs. Try to touch your forehead to your feet. Okay, relax. Relax. Okay, and come back in the position of Sukhasana. This position is called Sukhasana. Okay, be relaxed. Now we will change the position. Sit like this, straight legs, hands should be behind. Okay, now see my feet. Push your feet, both legs should be close. Your feet should be together and push it to the floor. Push it forward as much you can. Hold it for few seconds and come back. Now push backward. Pull up your feet back. Hold for 2-3 seconds. Now push forward towards the floor. Push forward as much you can. Hold it for 3-4 seconds. Come back and pull up your feet backward. Repeat it again. This is called Gulf Naman. In the language of yoga, this is called Gulf Naman. If I will say you ever just do the Gulf Naman, you need to do this. This is called Gulf Naman. Okay, relax. Relax, be sit, deep inhale. Now, again close your legs. Your feet should be together. And now we will do Padanguli Naman. Now we will do this only with the fingers of your legs. Pull up your fingers backward. Push hard as much you can. Okay. Now do it like this. Repeat it at least 4 or 5 times. This is called Padanguli Naman. Padanguli Naman means fingers of your legs are doing the Naman towards the earth. Okay, now we will do the rotation. Both feet together, clockwise, anti-clockwise, 5 times. This is called Gulf Ghonan. 5 times at least, and anti-clock. Push hard, make a big circle. Okay, relax. Now do this with me. Sukshmasana. Just a little exercise to release the stress from your legs. Okay, now do it with me. Just do this like me. Tap your thighs up, down. Okay, relax. Now we will do half butterfly. Just pull up your leg, single leg, onto your thighs and push your knee like this. 1, 2, 1, 2, and change it. Change the leg. Now push 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, I am repeating it again. Okay, just fold your leg. Okay, pull up your toes onto your thighs. Okay, pull as much you can and push your knee towards the floor like this. This is called half butterfly. You need to do this at least 8 to 10 times from both legs. Okay, relax and have a deep breath. Now we will sit in Sukhasana. Okay, now do it with me. Your right hand on your left leg, left knee, and turn yourself behind. Left hand on right knee and your right hand is on back, and turn your body. Repeat it again. Now be straight towards the mat. Okay, and do it with me. Be straight, very straight, broad shoulder, broad chest. Keep your both hands on the floor. Sit like this. Now take your hands forward. Your lower abdomen should be forward. Push your lower abdomen. Keep your hands forward. Go down. Hold it for few seconds. Pull your hands as much you can. It will give you a stretch to your shoulders, to your waist, to your lower thighs. Come back slowly, slowly. Take a deep breath. Repeat once more. A straight body, broad shoulder, broad chest. Keep your both hands on the floor and go forward. Push your lower abdomen forward. Go down. Go forward as much you can. Okay, come back slowly, slowly. Deep inhale, deep exhale. Relax. Now we will change the position. Okay. Again, watch me very carefully. Listen to me very carefully. Open your single leg. Your left leg should be open. Right leg should be closed. Not touching your body, but should be close to your body. There should be little gap between your leg and your body. Okay? Maintain this gap. One leg open, left leg open, right leg close. Just sit very straight. Okay? Now we will push our body towards the left leg like this. Try to touch your feet with your both hands and push your lower abdomen to your thighs. Try to touch your lower abdomen to your thighs. Push little. Many of you would not be able to touch your feet, so do not worry about it. Just push as much you can. 1, 2 like this. 3, 4. And now turn your body opposite and just go down. Touch your forehead to the floor. Come back. Now change your leg. Now right leg open, left leg closed. There should be a gap between your body and your leg, a little gap. Okay? Now repeat it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push as much you can. And if you can, touch your feet. Try it. Push your lower abdomen to the thighs. Come back, turn around, opposite, go down and touch your forehead on the floor. Straight hands. Come back. We will repeat once more. Change the leg. 1, 2 and change. Come back, change your leg. 1, 2. Change the side. Repeat once more. 1, 2. Come back, change the side. 1, 2. Okay, come back, relax your body, be sit in Sukhasana and take a deep breath. Now we will change the position. Be straight towards the mat. There should be little gap between your legs. Repeat the exercise we have already done earlier. Keep your hands forward. Go forward, go down as much you can. Come back. Now take your hands behind. Keep your face up. Take your chest up. Deep breathing. Come back. Now keep your hands forward on the floor. Just go straight, go down. Take your hands forward as much you can. Come back. Take your hands behind and front of your backbone. Okay, your chest should be up. Bring your upper back inside as much you can. Take your upper back inside as much you can and bring your chest up. Okay, and take your face back. Relax. Take deep breath. Okay, Now we will change the position. Open your both legs. Fold your knees. Hands should be behind. And take a gap as much. Take gap between your legs. Little more than your shoulders. Hands should be behind. And the gap between the hands as same as your shoulders gap. Okay, sit like this. Just copy me. Okay. Wait. Okay. Take your hands behind, little more behind, more gap in between your body and your hands. Okay? Just go down behind your body, on your elbows. 1 and 2. Fold your elbow, fold your hands, go down behind. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax. Close your legs. Okay. And bring your hands close to your body. Be sit very straight. Okay. Gap between the hands as same as your shoulders gap. Okay. Okay. Now go on to your knees and take your abdomen forward, up. Come back. Sit in Sukhasana. Take deep breath. Repeat it again. Go on to your knees and bring your abdomen up, forward. Come back. Sit in Sukhasana. Take a deep breath. Okay. Now again. Be sit in Sukhasana and watch me very carefully. Okay. Lock your fingers. Lock your hands like this. Okay. Now we will take up our hands and inhale. Inhale up. And exhale down. Okay. Close your fingers, close your hands, take them forward like this and take deep inhale. Bring your hands up, touching your ears and going to the sky. Exhale and take your hands down slowly, slowly. Okay, repeat again. We will do it 10 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, take a deep breath and go to Shavasana. Lay down, relax your body, go to Shavasana. Little gap between your thighs. Hands also should be apart from your body. Little gap between your body and your hands. Also between your thighs. Take deep inhale, deep exhale, slowly, slowly. Okay, come back. Now close your legs. Okay. Pull your toes up and your hands also up. Pull your hands up, pull your toes up and go to Uttanasana. Pull your toes, pull your hands up as much you can. And deep inhale, deep exhale. Okay, exhale and come back. Take deep breath. Now repeat it again. Tanasana, pull your hands, pull your toes up as much you can. Very straight body. Try to touch your floor with your hands. Pull as much you can. Take deep inhale. Exhale and get up and touch your feet. Sit like this. Take deep breath. Now watch me very carefully. I am going to tell you some Sukshmasanas which will give you a very relax and stretch to your neck, to your upper back, your shoulders. Okay, so watch me very carefully. Now keep your hands on your legs. Keep your face down. Now take your neck and touch your ear to your right shoulder. Your face should be inside. Your chin should be completely inside. And touch your ear to your right shoulder and push like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And change the side. Chin, your face should be very inside. Touch your chin to your chest. Your left ear to your left shoulder and push 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. Okay, now your face, your chin should be inside completely. Touch your chin to your chest. Okay. Now turn your face left and right while pushing yourself forward like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So many of you will be feeling over there a little pain, little stretch on your upper back, your neck, your shoulders, and it will give you a very relax. Okay, now go back to Shavasana. Take deep breath, deep inhale, deep exhale, slowly, slowly. Okay, now go back to Tanasana. Both legs close. Pull your toes, pull your hands up as much you can. Tanasana. Take deep breath, deep inhale. Exhale and get up and touch your feet. And this is called Paschimottanasana. Okay? Paschimottanasana. Watch me very carefully. When you will go up, when you will come up, you should sit like this and you should take your lower abdomen forward like this. You don't need to push your forehead. Listen to me very carefully. You don't need to push your forehead. You have to push your lower abdomen first and try to touch your feet like this. If you are not able to do like me, push as much you can, do as much you can do. Okay? This is called Paschimottan Asan. Now go to Tanasan. Paschimottanasana. Inhale Tanasana and exhale Paschimottanasana. Inhale Tanasana. Exhale Paschimottanasana. Repeat it at least 7 to 8 times. If anybody is having fat in his or her body over there and he or she is not able to do this, do not worry. If you are very bulky and fatty and you are not able to do this, then do it like this. Go in the flow. Okay, just take this position and go like this. 1, 2. So it will make it easy for you. You can do it in the flow so that your body weight will come up with the flow and you would be able to do this. Okay, now Tanasan, Paschimottanasana. Tanasan, Paschimottanasana. Take deep inhale, deep exhale. Relax your heart, your body, your mind. Okay, now all of you lie down, face down. Turn around, lie down, face down. Like this. Okay, now take Dandavat position. We Indian people, whenever we pray to our God, we do the Dandavat to give them respect. Okay. So take little gap between your thighs. Flat your toes. Your hands up like this. Your forehead on the floor. Deep breathing. Little push your lower abdomen area. Okay, now watch me carefully. We will do Makarasana. Fold your hands. Okay. Your elbow should be on the floor. Okay. And make your face up on your palm. Like this. This is called Makarasana. Have deep breath. Fold your legs. Move your legs like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Deep breathing. Continue. Continue moving your legs. And while simultaneously deep breathing. Okay. Now relax. Exhale. Go down. Now close your leg completely. Rub your thighs. Rub your legs. And make it close completely. Make your toes flat to the floor. Keep your hands, your palm touching your chest. Very little below the chest. Palm should be close to your body. Close your elbows towards the body. Close your elbows towards the body. Take up your face. Shoulders should be very broad. Make your shoulders very broad, very tight. Broad chest. Take your face up and go up with your upper back. Make a U-turn from your upper back towards your ankle, and your face should be up completely. See the position, watch me carefully and copy it. Again, go down. It will give you little pain on your waist, stretch on your waist. Do not worry, it will make you very, very relaxed entire day. Have deep breath and repeat it again. Take your face up first, then your upper back towards the ankle. Make a U-turn with your upper back towards the ankle. Come back, go down. Now make your hands little open, little broad hands. Okay? Increase the gap little bit between your hands and body. Now take your face up. Take your upper back up and go up completely. Make your hands straight, broad shoulder, broad chest. Okay, come back. This is called Bhujangasana. Bhujangasana. People also call it the cobra pose. Okay, now come up on your knees. Your hands, make a tabletop pose. Open your knees, gap between the knees. Be sit on your feet. Make a little gap between your feet. Make gap between your knees. Okay. Your feet should be closer. Touch your feet thumbs. And make gap between your ankles. Be sit on your between the gap of your ankles. Keep your hands on the floor, broad shoulder, broad chest, straight waist. Okay? Your buttocks should be on your ankles. Your ankles and your hips should be together. Okay? And take your hands forward like this. Try to bring your lower abdomen forward first. Try to bring your lower abdomen forward first. Push your waist. Take your hands forward. Face up. And try to touch your chest on the floor. And this is called Shashankasana. Whenever you all people will learn the names of the asanas, we will do the session more fast and more effective. So try to learn the names of the positions and do it rightly. Watch me very carefully. Gap between your knees as much you can. Your hips should touch your ankles. Try to push your lower abdomen and try to touch your chest on the floor. Have deep breath. This asana is very good for gastric issues and indigestion problems. It will give you a very relief in digestion and gastric problems. Come back. Have a deep breath. Close your knees and go to Vajrasana. Be sit like this. This is called Vajrasana. Have deep breath in Vajrasana. Vajrasana is very good for digestion problems, stomach problems, and for the ladies, gynec problems, hormonal problems, and also very good for your liver. Deep inhale, exhale completely and pause your breath. Exhale completely, take pause and go down. Your hands should be behind. Pause your breath and stay here as much you can. Come back. Have deep breath. Repeat it again. Completely exhale. Pause your breath. Go down. Hands behind. Come back. Okay, now change the position. Be sit normally with straight legs. Have deep breath. Okay, now fold your left leg. Fold your left leg. Okay. And take it forward to your right leg, cross your right leg. Okay, base it like this. Now your left leg is here. Your right hand should go to your right knee, left knee. Okay, left leg and right hand. And try to touch your feet and turn your body around opposite. Turn your body opposite. Come back. Relax, change the leg. Fold your right leg. Cross your left leg. Put your right leg cross to your left leg. Okay. Now left hand on right knee. Okay, try to touch your left leg and turn your body around. Okay, relax, straight legs. Go to Shavasana. Now we will do some last asanas of the session. Okay, close your legs. Your palm on the floor. Keep your legs very straight and take them up. Very straight legs, straight knees, take them up and take them behind your body. And this is called Halasana. Halasana. If you are not able to do this, just do it with the flow like this. Watch me very carefully like this. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Your knees should be very straight like an iron rod. Go back, inhale, go forward, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Hold it for few seconds. Do it very carefully. And just be relaxed. Go to Shavasana. Now we will do Setu Bandhasana. Fold your legs, fold your knees. Touch your ankles with your both hands. Take your stomach, your abdomen up. Take your upper back, your shoulders inside. For a few seconds. Come back. Have a deep breath. Once more. Hold it for a few seconds. Come back and relax. Now close your knees on your chest. Close your knees on your chest. Push 1 or 2 times. Now completely exhale, pause your breath and touch your knees from your nose. Exhale and touch your nose to your knees. This is called Supt Pavan Muktasana. Repeat it once more. Exhale and touch your nose to your knees. The last thing of the session, just do 7 or 8 rollings. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and just come back to Sukhasana. Now just come back to Sukhasana, be relaxed, have deep breath, and today's session is over, and I hope you all enjoyed and now you are feeling very relaxed, and see you in the next session.